Good morning. Mo and I are up at Meall in the Tarmachan. That's our forging ahead. And that's the mountain up there. It's an 8-point summit in the central highlands, but it's close enough to civilization, or so I'm told, that we can get away with doing it on 2 meters. Ha! Let's see if we can. I've gained a bit of height now. We're actually on the ridge up to Meall and Tarmachan, and you can see it's opened up the views quite nicely. So that is our summit back there. We've got to climb over this bump to get to it, and then you can see the Tarmachan ridge following all the way around there. It's a lovely rocky walk. Maybe not for today though. Just the one summit for us. One more bump and we have made it. Up you go, Mo. Well done, Mo. Meall and the Tarmachan. Now what Mo isn't telling you is that she just recovered from major spinal surgery 2 months ago. Yeah, nice little war wound. Amazing job getting up your first one though, I'm very proud of you. Well done.
Thank you.
Right, that looks like a nice flat spot out the wind. Let's go play some radio. If I manage to do this on 2 meters, I'll let you into a little secret afterwards. Right, here's the plan. I'm going to go for a quick 2 meter activation using this Slim G from Spectrum Communications. I'm going to use a top tip from my friend Ben, who sits with his rucksack with a mast still attached to it and just hoists the aerial up as far as reasonably safe, and I don't know what reasonably safe is, so yeah, that's about 4 or 5 meters, that'll do the job. I'm going to hook it up to the handheld and we'll try some 2 meters. The nearest centres of population, probably about 40 miles to the south of here. I am in the central highlands, so who knows what is going to happen. Okay, the spot is gone. Got the speaker mic. 2 meters. CQ, 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 CQ summits on the air, CQ SOTA. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable, calling from Meall and the Tarmachan. Golf Mike Charlie Sierra 015 QRZ.
Roger, you're 5 and 5 and it's Golf Mike 0 Victor Echo Kilo. Roger.
QRZ Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable.
Mike 1 Hotel Mike Zulu. Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India MM7 DIR.
QRZ Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable.
Mike 1 Hotel Mike Victor.
QRZ.
MM0 EFI stroke P here is Golf Mike 4 Uniform Golf Foxtrot. Golf Mike 4 Uniform Golf Foxtrot. QTH is Craigton of Maniki, which is
That's Dave Duff.
Dundee.
QRZ, I heard another call there. Mike 0 Echo Fox India Portable.
Golf Oscar Golf.
Oh, station ending golf. Can you go again, please?
Okay, Mike 0 Golf Oscar Golf stroke mobile.
Yeah, 73. QRZ Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable.
Mike 0 X-ray Papa Zulu. Mike 3 Golf Quebec Tax. Golf Mike 7 Oscar Alpha Whiskey.
Okay, there was a Mike 3 Golf Quebec, but I didn't get the last letter. Go again, please.
The last letter is Tango, 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 Tango. You're about a 5 and 2 in Crumnock down in Ayrshire, over.
Calling from a mountaintop above Loch Tay, QRZ.
Mike 0
Here he comes.
India Portable from Golf Mike 4, Juliet X-ray Papa Portable. Do you copy, Fraser?
Yeah, good afternoon, Simon. GM4JXP, MM0EFI portable. You're 5'9" onto Golf Mike, Charlie Sierra 015, Simon. Over.
Yes, QSL 5 and 9, you're 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. On Golf Mike, Echo Sierra 034. Golf Mike, Echo Sierra 034. QSL.
Yeah, GM4JXP, MM0EFI portable. Thanks for the summit to summit, Simon. Enjoy it the rest of your day. 7-3.
Okay, safety set. Bye-bye.
Thanks, bye-bye. QRZ, any other calls for Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India portable? Mo's smiling because she doesn't want me to do another CQ call. Final CQ for summits on the air from Golf Mike, Charlie Sierra 015. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India portable. Any final calls? You're in luck. Okay, nothing heard. Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India portable is QRT. This frequency is now clear. 7 in the log on 2 metres, Mo. I think you've got a stunning view over there. Ben Lawers next time. Is that what you're eyeing up? No. What's the secret then? How did I know I was going to achieve that remote summit on 2 metres? Well, everyone that watches my videos knows I'm a Sotless fanboy, and there's a great little feature of Sotless when you click on any summit and click on more and then scroll down, and you'll see the list of activators, but you'll also see a bar graph that shows you the different bands that have been used to activate the summit. And lo and behold, Meall and Tarmachan has been heavily activated on the 2 metre band. So I thought I had a good chance. So 7 in the log, including a summit to summit with Simon over in D-side. Yeah, it's a decent haul. The KX2 was in the bag just in case, but thankfully it didn't need to come out. So there you go, we're just heading back down now. I better catch up with Mo. See you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.